have the glossy box for the month of September for you guys, and we're gonna jump into it. They do send me this for a review purpose. This month is just a regular box. This is their classic box and what it looks like. Sometimes they have like special edition boxes, but this is the normal pink and black box. We're gonna open this up. As always, they have the little pamphlet here, and this just tells you information about the product, price points, and such. And it's on here on the back they have a advent calendar that's going to be launching in September. It's called the Freeze the Moment. That box is really pretty. Look how it kind of reminds me of Frozen. Let it go, let it go. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in. I did say this is sent for review purpose. I don't know what happened to my box this time. Look at how it looks. It's like all scrounged up together. Usually the tissue is like really nicely laid out, and then it has the ribbon. So let's go ahead and open this. Oh God, something spilled in here. It's all goopy. Okay, the thing that had opened is this Cushy Naturals Vanilla Shower Gel, and I guess it didn't it wasn't twisted and fully closed, so it has a nice soft vanilla smell to it. I will be using this. This has chamomile extract, and it's a little bit icky because it's spilled in the box. But so let's go ahead and read about this. This is a full size, is $6.50. It says, sometimes the smallest changes can lift our mood, and we absolutely adore beautiful fragrance, whether it's perfume, hair, or body care. This is a warming scent of vanilla with chamomile extract, and it does have like that warm vanilla scent. It's not like the sweet one. And it says to use in hot, steamy showers. Ooh. Next thing that I see in here is the Cab Cosmetics Illuminating Dust. I'm not going to open this because I just have way too many highlighters. If you guys have been seeing my channel, I've just been decluttering a lot, and I've been trying to give more back. And this looks beautiful. It's like a dark golden shade. Beautiful for like darker skin tones especially. This is $26, or for all over the eyelid, like just a dusting of color. This is $26, and it says that it's a beautiful formula. It flatters. It says the golden color will flatter darker skin tones, while lighter skin tones may use it as a bronzer or an eyeshadow. So definitely can tell that this is going to be for darker skin tones, and I can tell that I can tell you that I have somebody at work that I know will appreciate that, somebody with darker skin tones. Next thing in here is the Natura Echoes Murum. I hope I said all of that right. It's 91% natural origin, and it is vegan, fair trade, biodiversity ingredients from the Amazon. And let's see, this is a deluxe worth $5.10, and is basically a hair mask for your hair. And it says that it's plant derived, amazing hair benefits. It helps damage hair, plus reduce frizz, and leaves your hair soft and glossy. So I will try this out and see how it works on my hair. I have been on a hair journey to really thicken my hair, and a lot of the products that I've been using have really helped me. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on that, just in case any of those products could work for you. Next thing in here is the Vita Librata tanning mist, and this is medium. I guess you just spray it on. I don't know if you rub it in. It says that this is a deluxe mini worth $6.50. Apparently $6.50 is the trend this time. It's quick drying, tinted formula tanning mist. Makes it super easy to see where you've applied and control the color. I guess it comes out with a color on it, so you can see where you apply it. It says apply to clean exfoliated skin, aloe vera. It's enriched with aloe vera and hyaluronic acid to leave your skin hydrated. I don't really use a lot of these tanning mists because I just feel like I always end up splotchy. I might try this on my legs and see how it goes, because I do already have splotchiness because of my bathing suits on my legs, so maybe that will help even me out. And then the last thing that I see in here is the full size firming eye cream. This is, whoa, This is $82. Holy moly. So this is the Alpha Skincare, and this is made in Australia. It says that it has lime pearl AHAs to help gently exfoliate and smooth the eye area for tighter, more youthful skin. Plus, the illuminating diamond particles create an instant soft focus effect. So I'm not sure if I want like glitter particles around my eye, but I'm all about firming. I had never heard of this brand. Let me know if that's like something big in Australia, but I had never actually heard of this brand. And that is it for this month. This month was just, I like more the body care stuff, the shower gel and the hair mask. The tanning lotion's not my jam. This eye cream, depending if it does something. And then this is very beautiful, but I feel like this is more for darker skin tones. So this month was just, it's just okay. Let me know what your thoughts are. I do really like Glossybox for a lot of their skincare stuff in here, and a lot of like body and hair care accessories that they put in there. But yeah, that is it. I will try to put the total value around here. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you ain't subscribed, hit that little red button. I have my social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.